Okay, so I would like to look at Lesson 1, Vocabulary for 10th grade. And on your agenda, it's 3A. Here's the PDF. Okay. And so what I do is you need 10 flashcards. And on this lesson, there are only verbs, adjectives, and nouns. So I would write on the blank side of your flashcard all of the verbs in the same color. So let's just say we're going to do verbs in green. I would do divulge and verb in parenthesis in green, abet and verb in parenthesis in green. I would do coerce, number 6, in green with the word verb afterwards. And that's it. Then I would do my adjectives. Maybe I'm going to do adjectives in blue. It doesn't matter what color, just keep them consistent. So dogmatic and then adjective on the blank side in blue. Insipid, adjective in blue. Extraneous, adjective in blue. Jaundiced, adjective in blue. And meticulous, adjective in blue. And then gregarious, adjective in blue. I think we only have one noun. Let's look. Temerity. If we've done blue, let's say orange for nouns. Temerity and then noun in orange. So that way, if we keep the parts of speech the same throughout, it's going to help us. Okay, so on the blank side, you just put the word and the part of speech and you color code it. On the back, you have the meaning, which is a definition, a synonym, which means the same, and an antonym, which means the opposite, and then hopefully a sentence that you write, not the one that's here. However, it would be better to use the one that's here and get it correct than to make one up and use the wrong part of speech, use it as the wrong part of speech. So that's up to you. I'm not going to check, but I think you will do better on the test if you're able to write your own sentence for practice. So for divulge on the back, it would say something like to tell a secret, and then synonym is disclose, antonym is conceal. If you don't know one of the words, then you want to go to a website that is called dictionary.com. Click on thesaurus. A thesaurus is a dictionary of synonyms, which are words that are the same or similar. And then they also usually have antonyms, which are the opposite or dissimilar, opposite. So you wouldn't want to use, say, if you don't know what the word disclose means, you don't want to use the word disclose as a synonym because it doesn't help you. The only word that you shouldn't know on your flashcard is the actual word that we're learning this week for the quiz. So then you would put a sentence. So like mine might be, I am not supposed to divulge that Abe has a new girlfriend. Abe is my son. That's like, he's trying to keep it on the low. Okay, so that's just how you do it. It's 10 words, 10 flashcards, and take a picture or a video and put that into the Dropbox. Probably 2 pictures, front and back, or a video. Put that into the Dropbox. That is, in the year that I'm making this video, it's 3A on your agenda. So once I get out, I'll show you. Go back. Now, I will probably use this video for more than 1 year, so it might be different, but it's right here. Okay, make 10 flashcards. And then after that, you have a lesson. If you're in honors class, you have 40 questions. If you're in CP class, you have 20 questions, and then you have 20 bonus points. So this goes right along with the lesson. This PDF right here is you would want to pull that up and do a split screen so you can see that and what's on your screen. You have an agenda right here of what has to get done. We have one quiz a week. So we have a grammar quiz 1 week and a vocab quiz 1 week. And so we have to keep up on it. We have to study. The flashcards don't do you any good if you don't use them to study. So you should be studying at least 15 minutes a night, taking your flashcard and saying, okay, a bet is this part of speech. This is the meaning. Here's an example sentence, a synonym, an antonym. If you can do all that before you flip it over, then you know you're ready for your quiz. And until then, you don't. So I would say you need to study at least 15 minutes a night. For this practice, you don't have to get it all done in one night. So the there is like a passage, and where it says a, that's the word we're trying to find here. So Jasmine had thought that her irresponsible days of blank were far behind her. So you have to figure out that would be a noun. And let's see if temerity, the only thing that makes sense there is a noun, I'm pretty sure. Recklessness. So that first one is going to be temerity. That's the only one that makes sense. It's the only noun we have. Okay? So I gave you one of your answers. All right. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.